Hello viewers, thanks for watching. Now we're gonna learn how to use form in website. We are learning HTML, so we're gonna discuss how to display form on website. But if you want to get the information properly, in that case you need to learn backend. You need to set up a server like for Node.js or PHP. So how to use the form in HTML? Form, okay, type form, enter. You need to write your code in between this form opening tag and closing tag. There is an action, so you need to type the address where you want to get the information. But this is just front end, so we are not thinking about this action. And also there is another thing, option is method. So for now we are not discussing about action and method, because for that thing you need the server. There is a free website called formsfree.io. You can set up a free account on that website and you can get the information from there. You need to go to that website, formsfree.io, and you have to register with your email address. So they're gonna save your information somewhere and you can collect it from there. So when you create an account, they will give you the specific address, so you can use this address on your form to get the information. So I already create an account, so this is my address. Just copy this one and put it on the action. Control V. This is the address, and method should be post method. Okay, this is the free account from Free. But if you set up your own server, then you can use that server address to get the information properly. So why we use the form in website? We can use the form to register someone or getting the feedback or do a survey. Let's do our coding. You need input element. Type input, enter. So I type is text. Then I need name, maybe someone's name, and ID. We need ID as well, and we need label, enter. For what you're going to write down on there. So for and ID should be same, name, and for name. Save it, check it on the website. That one is the form. We made a form to get someone's name. Now we need the same person's email address and password, and another input, enter. Type is email. Then name, email, ID as well, email, and we need label for that. Label, enter. For should be the same as ID, email. You can type email. Okay, save it, check it in the website. You see, name, email, but they are in the same line. Put a line break. So after this, name input, just make a line break. Okay, and check it. You see, now it is on the next line. Then make a line break times 2. Go to the next line. So we need label and input element, password, then need name, password, then we need ID as well, password. Okay, and for should be the same as ID, and label, what is the label, is password. Let's check it in the website. Okay, name, email, and password. How are we going to submit this form? There are 2 ways. One is input type submit, another one is button. We can put a button as well. So input type will be submit, value submit. So you don't need the label for that. Make a line break, be a times 2. Okay, this is yes. Okay, check it. Also you can make a button. How to make a button? Okay, make it comment, type button. Okay, button, then type submit type, and in between this opening and closing button tags, type submit. Let's check it on the website. Okay, is a submit. We can display the form in the website like this way, and if you have a server, if you can set up a server, then you can get the information on the address. Let's just submit it and see what happens. Okay, in the name field, write something, md email test, submit. You see, it's not submitting because this is the email. Type is email, that's why it's saying please include an @ So when you type @ email, then submit it, type the name, md, and email address, suppose test@email.com, and password maybe 1 2 3 4, and submit. And let's see what happened. Submit. Okay, formsfree.io and these things, form blocked. Okay, it happens because we used their account, formsfree account, and that is not our server, and I tried twice, that's why it's blocked. So if you have your own server, then just use it, or if you use the free account from Free, then you cannot use the same form 2-3 times with the different email. So for now, just remove the address. Remove the address. That will be fine for now, because we are learning how to do that. Thanks for watching, and stay with me for next tutorial.